He got a fan. Hey, my owner of the building, he's got a fan to dry out a puddle of water. A flood. The fan's not gonna do it. I'm a big fan of the fan. Don't get me wrong. I love to sleep with a fan. I sleep with a fan on Bluetooth on my Bluetooth. And when I go to sleep, because my other fan done died on me. But look, this is too much, dude. And if y'all look, it's all the way in my apartment. Look, it's the whole dang carpet. Oh my God. I feel like I'm gonna get electrocuted. But the fan is just too much. The fan is too much. What are you doing? Absolutely nothing.